Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. What a day. Good day today. Fantastic. Not every day you get a day like this, but we're up nicely, beating the market. Great. We took some profits today. We made to make some money out of Virgin Galactic. We was able to lower our averages, get more shares, improve our positions. Couldn't be better. Absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. All right. And to top it all off, got a bit of a surprise for you coming up at the end of the show. Okay, here we go. So our overall position is up. Let's have a look. And my brokerage position is also up and also beating the market. 53.6. We're trying to get back to that 58,000, my all-time high, and we're doing nicely on the way there. Considering we've got lower averages now, considerably lower averages. I'm quite excited about the prospect of that. All right, let's have a little look. This is my overall position. You can see doing all right. And the S&P is up. We're not in the S&P right now. We've taken our profits and we're using it elsewhere. But we are in the S&P with other things, like, for example, we are in the S&P with Amazon, and that's up 45%. We're up now. We're in the S&P with Apple. That's up 4%. NEE, look at that, just down 7% now. What an improvement. I've got a big position there and looking to take some profit from next year at energy as well. Good. S&P, Virgin Galactic this morning, we sold for 204, managed to buy back at 199, average now, very, very nice. So we're already up on it. Look, we're actually looking at Virgin Galactic in profit again, second time today. I mean, we've not had this for ages. Isn't it great? Profit, absolute, it's going again. Look at that, real profit in Virgin Galactic again. Now this morning, we were 48% down. We're now 35% down. What a turnaround. I'm loving it. And I've got more shares as well. I've got 1,600 shares here and a few hundred on the Roth. So it's a good day. It's a very, very good day. So we want to go through now and see if we can tidy up some profits. There's ARM today, popped up 14%. This is ARM. It's IPO today. Thought it was today. It's up 14% from the IPO. IPO'd at 51. It's now 58 if you've got the pre-market. But I'd rather just wait for the pop and the excitement to die down and look at it. But ARM, what is ARM? Well, ARM is a UK-based company that architects, develops and licenses high-performance, low-cost, energy-efficient CPU products and related technology. It's a bit AI-ish, and we've got some customers of our own that are invested in this company, so could be interesting. It popped up today, 14% on the first day. Not that great, really. If I'm honest, for an AI, could have had an explosion. It's why I'd rather wait for the drop before I jump on in. But we want to see how this one pans out. Anyway, we'll keep our eye on that. IPO today. So gold, Mullen up 18%, still 92% down. It just makes no odds, does it really? Amazon up, Apple up, NEE. Looking good today, getting better. Enphase up nearly 2.64%. Much better. For me, ARM doesn't have the charm. I like it. Coca-Cola, what a day to buy the dip. Look at that. Great. Up 1%, which is a lot for Coca-Cola. Great. Now, we're going to find out whether I'm going to get those dividends because I bought on ex-dividend day. We wanted to see. Don't think it will go through. I've written it down to see if I can actually get it, and we'll see. J&J, I've been trimming my position. It's a bit flat at the minute. Kenvue, Chevron, 5% to go. I need another 10%, 11% swing, and then I'm out. I'll take my profit and I'll use it to buy some more SPCE and Rocket Lab. Okay, Tesla. Wonderful. Copenhagen. There we go. We're up on my long-term position and my short-term position. I love it. Not going anywhere with Tesla. Just keep adding it. Rivian, very nice. McDonald's up We had that big drop of 2.5%, 3%. It's all gone now. You had your chance to buy it. Always buy McDonald's when it dips like that. It's gone now. Won't see that again for a while. Microsoft, Walmart doing very nicely. I only own one share of Walmart and I'm up 11% on it. Tesco, very good indeed. Tilray Brands, whatever. Robinhood coming back up again. IonQ, too expensive. Rocket Lab on the way up. I was 12% down beginning of the day, just 5% down now. Improvement by buying the dip. Plug Power, I just don't buy it. I don't know why I don't buy it. I just don't feel it yet. Procter & Gamble, good. Defensives. Rumble, rubbish. Funware, I'm just in it for the sake of it. Faraday, see. It's a mullen. You get rumors, you get news, and dumps the next day. A lot of rubbish. Rio Tinto, BTC, Bitcoin up 1.5%. Very nice. Matic as well. I'm in all this. I'm in XRP. I'm in all this. Very happy. Yeah, good. Right, really good. Very happy. Very happy today. Let's read this. Hey, Martin, how are you? I'm well. Thanks for asking. I appreciate it. Good afternoon, everyone. Mike, hello. Tio. Hi, Mike. Hi, Mike. Mike, Tio, Pedro. Hi, Joe. How you doing? Hey, Joe. Hey, Joe. For me, Arm doesn't have the charm. Hello, great day. Niels. Niels. In a couple of weeks, I can imagine the papers printing titles like, has Arm lost its charm? I would bet. I bet you. Should I write it first and I can trend for it? That's actually quite good. If I make a video on that, I could probably. In fact, you've just made me realize something. I absolutely just realized something. You're dead right there. You're dead right. You've just made me realize something. Absolutely right. You're absolutely right. I've just thought of something. Thanks for telling me. Holdings. Okay, here we go. Okay. Partners. Join our, explore our partner program, see all partners. Foundries, Core, Neutron, Cadence. Let's have a look. AIM, Future, Phoenix. Hang on. Sustain Newsroom, Community, News. Oh, there we go. Company, Investors. Okay, Investor. Okay, I've got it. That's what I need. I'm going to do this. I'm so glad you've said this. What is the arm holding, and are you in it? What is ARM holding, and are you in it? It's AI, but future of computing. But hey, Jojo, how's it going, mate? Hey, Risk Res ASAM. Been watching maybe past 3 days. I've learned a lot so far. Just want to say thank you. Risk Res. Hey, great to have you here. As of life couldn't get better. And there is the man himself, Rocket Man, Martyn Lucas. And the crowd goes wild. Member for 10 months, Max. Look at that.
Max H has become a member.
Well, he's not technically just become a member. He's celebrating 10 months as a member. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, there you go. That's better. Good afternoon. Hiya, Max. Hey. Right, okay. We need to do this now. Okay. I'm trying to get my head around this, how I best present it. So I know what I'm going to do. I know why I'm going to do it. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. ARM. ARM. Let's have a look. 10 minutes. ARM. Let's have a quick look at this before I move on. Don't need that one. ARM. Okay, here we go. I got what I need. Okay. IPO day for ARM, ticker symbol ARM. Let's talk about ARM. Should we be in on ARM right now, or is it armless? What do you think? Leave me your thoughts below. I do apologize. IPO day today for ARM. ARM Holdings PLC. For those of you who don't know, that's a publicly traded company over there in the United Kingdom. You don't see PLC here in the US, but I'm from England, so I know all about it. Lovely stuff. Right, ARM Holdings. Let's have a quick look at it and see if we should be in it. Now, this was presented to me by Robinhood. I could have bought the pre-IPO, and if I'd bought the pre-IPO, I could have got it for a staggering price of, are you waiting for it? The pre-IPO price, $51, and I'd be up now 14%. Is that a good idea? Should I be in on it? Well, let's discuss it and let's show you why I didn't buy it. Okay, so here we go. Let's look at ARM right now. First of all, what is ARM? Let me show you what ARM is all about. It's not the thing attached to your legs and your fingers. It's ARM is building the future of computing. It's got some very big customers already and partners. We'll scroll down a little bit, show you a bit more about it. ARM is everything technology matters. 250 billion chips in everything from sensors to smartphones to servers. Now, I just want to, before I carry on with ARM, if you do enjoy my humor, with which who wouldn't, smash the like button. If you tap the like button, you're more likely to be recommended my videos in the future. If you don't, then maybe I'll be lost forever and you'll never find me again across the whole of the internet. Can you imagine that? A day without me talking to you? Oh my God, what would it be like? All right. Maybe a lot better. Okay, so ARM Holdings, I was presented with the opportunity to buy on the pre-IPO at $51. I declined. I decided it's not a good idea. And the reason is quite simple, because AI is overbought right now. Technology like this is overbought, and pre-IPOs, statistically, in the last few years, are pretty much 90% of them popped and then failed. Now, I don't mean fail completely. I just mean they pop and then they go back down again. The good news for this one is it was relatively priced. It wasn't overpriced, perhaps. It also wasn't a SPAC, Virgin Galactic and others, SPAC, Special Purpose Acquisition. They really do badly on IPOs. This one wasn't. But the trouble is, though, my problem is AI is trending too hot right now. Anyone's just buying anything that's new that just comes out. I would rather buy it for $100 knowing it's going to 200 than buy it for 58 and in fact it's only a $10 stock. Let's be honest, okay? So that's my thought on it. Let's have a quick look below and see how it appears on Robinhood for you right now. Let's have a quick look. At the moment, obviously, we've got no statistics. There's nothing to talk about. No lows, no highs, no dividends, and all the rest of it. What is ARM? Just from their about section, ARM Holdings is a UK company. I told you that by the PLC, you can tell. Develops and licenses high-performance, low-cost, and energy-efficient CPU products and related technology on which many of the world's leading semiconductor companies and OEMs rely to develop their products. The good news is it does have some very, very good partners. If you go and check out the full list of the partners, I'm not going to bring it all to you now, it does. However, just at first glance, for me, it is the wrong time to buy it. And I'll tell you why. Other than statistically, it's not a good time to buy it. I'm also going to share with you, if we look at, if you look closely at the price, it popped up immediately started taking profit, then tried to recover, and it's fading away again. Now, the issue here is, considering it's AI and it's trending right now and it's very sexy and rock and roll, I would have expected on IPO day this to do 100%. It hasn't. It's done, at best, it was up at one point, it was up 20%. It's gone back down to 13, 14% right now. I would like to study it a bit more, understand the financials a bit more than just buying it on the IPO. I think my initial reaction when I initially looked at the prospectus from Robinhood, I looked at this and thought $20 for now. And we'll see where we go from there. So I am quite interested in this, but I would rather wait for the hype to go down. Now, if I bought it at 51, you'd say, well, you could have made 14%. This is the problem with an IPO, a pre-IPO, if you'd got it. It's a bit of a lottery, whether you get it or not, but if you don't, you don't. If you do, you do. If you get it and you paid 51 today, you can't sell it straight away. I think it is within 90 days. Otherwise, you'll pay a penalty. Not a penalty so much, but you won't be able to be enrolled in pre-IPOs again, I think, for the next year or 6 months. There's some kind of restriction. Now, you might say, who the hell cares? I've only done about 5 or 6 IPOs. I don't do them every day. Pre-IPOs, that is. So it's not a big deal if you want to pay the penalty and just not be able to do it again for 6 months. I'm not quite sure the exact rule right now. It was a while ago since I last did it, but some people don't really care, and some people go, okay, whatever, I'll hold on. You remember when Robinhood IPO'd, the staff weren't allowed to sell the stock, and of course it popped up, went crazy, they couldn't sell it, and by the time it had come down, of course, they were allowed to sell it. It had lost its romance, if you like. So at the end of the day, ARM Holdings for me is about $20 from my initial glancing at the books. I think it's got a bit excited today, but the fact it hasn't gone up 100% today, which it could have done, says to me it's a little bit of a weak sentiment. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm going to wait. So I would like your thoughts on this one. So click above my head for more links and bits and bobs and my links to my social media, and you can see when I'm buying and selling ahead of time. I like to tell people everything that I'm doing. I aim to be the most honest channel on YouTube TV. And over here, I'll put more videos that you might like. But up here, special, that's coming out today while you're watching this video. By the time you watch this video later on, there'll be a special video up here. I've been asked to record the United States national anthem for halftime shows at football games, and I'm very excited about it. Next stop, the Super Bowl. So check out my United States anthem sung by an Englishman and see how I do it. See if I change the words and mess around with it. You got to have a look now, right? Okay, so go and check that out. Until next time, as always, I'll see you back in the morning when we'll see if we can buy some ARM. It may be in about a week from now. Until then, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Let's have a little look. Let's come back to the main position here. Look at our overall portfolio. Very nice. The overall balance. Very nice. 53,000. Yeah. Going up all the time. Very nice. Let's come back to there. Okay. Let's get through the comments. Hi, Sam. What is ARM holding and are you in it? Max H. There you go. Now you know all about it, or a bit more than you did before. Living the dream. Living the dream. Good afternoon, everyone. Hey, you Max. How you doing? Yo, Crag. Yo. Hey, Jojo. Hey, Jojo. Hey. Legs. Legs? Wait for the pullback. Solid long-term chips in all phones. Historically, almost every IPO of recent has pulled back, sometimes bigly. Pedro, exactly is what I was saying. It's exactly what I was saying. Anyway, hi Martin, good evening. How are you today? I'm very well, Patty from Italy. Don't ask me why I did that. Paddy, Paddy, Paddy. Italy, Italy, Italy. I mean, I don't know why I do these things. It's just random stuff, innit? Keeps it fresh. Haven't all the best new companies' stocks crashed to dirt cheap before they mooned? Mostly. Agree, Martin. With all the hype, you'd think it would have been easy double today. One positive is Apple and others bought into IPO, so I don't see it going to 20. Well, look what happened when Amazon bought Rivian. Went to $170 a share, and then it went down to about 15. So, and then Amazon sold for a loss. So let's not get too carried away, shall we? Caden Youngquist, here he is. I've had a trading ban last year for 6 months for not allowing funds to settle. Hey, trading ban. How on earth can you sell stocks that haven't settled if it doesn't let you? It doesn't let you do it. So how do you do it and then get banned for it? I don't understand that, Caden. I've used all the platforms, and I don't know how you can sell something when it doesn't allow you to sell it because it hasn't settled, and then bans you for doing it. What did you do? Hack it? Did you go in on a computer and did you go in and hack it? What did you do? In that case, you belong in jail. What did you do, Caden? How did you manage to sell unsettled stocks? I don't know how you did it. What's going on? Anyway, Jojo, and by the way, you can buy and sell unsettled stocks all the time. I bought Virgin Galactic today and I sold it within 3 seconds. It hadn't settled. So, of course, you can buy and sell stocks in 5 seconds. You don't have to wait for stocks to settle. That's what scalp trading is, day trading is. So I don't know what... oh, hang on. What was that? I got a little notice from Robinhood. I don't know what Caden's talking about. Need to explain, mate. I need to know what's going on. You basically already invested in ARM if you hold Apple. You run your own portfolio. Why does that keep doing that? I'm getting a message coming up from Robinhood. That's a badge of honor, Caden. Yeah. How's it going, bro? There you go. Hey up. What's up? Diggs BTW7. All good. Thanks, bro. Love it. I've heard ARM is really dependent on how Apple does. Hey all. Yes, LOL. You think it's funny? I don't think it's funny. It just came out, Paddy. It's just my comedy humor. It just rolls out of me. What can you say? Isn't it almost too hard to research IPO properly because they have no track record? No, it's not. The prospectus tells you the balance sheet, the numbers, the financials. That's why I said when I looked at it briefly, to me it was a $20 stock. That was it. Remember, why a company IPO? Initial public offering. They do it to raise funds to build the business. So they try to hype the price because if I was a business, well, I am a business, Martyn Lucas Investor, right? I need to buy a new computer. I need $10,000 to buy a new computer. So I think, well, I'll sell 50% of me, right? Well, I don't want to give 50% away of me when I have a future business of $1 million for 10 grand, do I? Okay, the 10 grand comes in handy and now I can build my studio and now I can make 2 million. Great. However, I want to get as much from my business when I sell it as possible, right? Because ultimately I'm giving away half my business. That's what an IPO is, right? A private business goes public, initial public offering. The public get an offering to buy it. You want to sell X amount of shares, X percentage of your business for the highest amount possible. You don't want to give away your business for less than triple what it's actually worth because you want to make a profit out of the inconvenience of having half your business gone, right? So, these companies that might be worth $20, try to IPO. And remember, they buy it themselves. They own their shares themselves. They will then even sell their own shares when it makes them double, triple the money. So they want the shares to go up on an IPO day, and they also want to get a really high price so they can get as much for their company as possible. And then very often, if it pops, the same company will buy back their own shares afterwards when it goes down, so they can make on the up and make on the way down. So yeah, isn't it almost too hard to research? No, I've explained that one. I've explained it. Vanguard is very mean. Yes, rubbish. Vanguard, very mean. And maybe it's you, Caden. Maybe you're going in there with your little computer and trying to hack it. I don't know. Maybe you're doing a Sam Bankman-Fried. You're doing naughty thing. I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're doing. I would buy and sell, and never let the money settle. I don't know. Vanguard still let me. I don't know. Vanguard still let me. I don't know then. I don't know. Hi, Crag and Stephen. Hi, Patty. Lots of hellos today. I can't keep up with all this. I found out Vanguard does not let you buy and sell the same stock the same day. Well, that's a load of rubbish. Why are you using Vanguard then? Why aren't you using Robinhood? What's wrong with you? Told you. I don't know why you don't listen. Robinhood's much better. Anyway, my gosh. Hey, Steve, are you still by the pool singing, sipping JDs? No, he shouldn't be. He should be in the bar telling the bar that he can book the World Piano Man Friday night concert night to play in the bar. I hope you've been doing that. Stephen Lewandowski, getting that sorted out. Not just drinking. I want to buy some Martyn Lucas IPOs. There you go, Switzer. Well, you can. First of all, Switzer, you can be a member of the channel, right? And when you're a member of the channel, there's many perks. You've already got shares in the show, because the what you pay me as a membership today will never ever go up, and the benefits will go up. So you are getting benefits, and the members that have been members for the longest time, people with gold badges and stuff like that. Not because they're gold members, because they've got a gold badge because they've been a member for a long time. They're going to get extra benefits as we go on in time. People that have been the members for the longest will be invited to special one-on-one meetups and parties and all sorts. So there you go. You can buy shares in the show, Switzer. Plus, I am working on my own coin. I am working on my own crypto coin. So you can all buy it. How about that? Buy one of my tokens. Hey? And it won't be one of those flipping cons like FTX where I just hype it up and we all buy it and then I dump it. No. None of that rubbish. I'm thinking of doing my own crypto coin. Anyway, at home by the pool on my patio, going on vacation tomorrow. He's always on bloody holiday. Hi, Crag. How you doing? The university I am going to right now as a 5 Bloomberg terminals, so I have the cheat codes to get in the best trades. Look at him. Look. No, this is why you got banned. This is where you're going wrong, Caden. See, it's always the telltale sign, right? I got banned from. It's always a telltale sign when you say I got banned from. Right, when you turn around and say I've got the cheat codes on a Bloomberg terminal to get the best inside trades. You know, you put the 2 and 2 together. You put the 2 and 2 together. You got to be careful, you Caden. You're going to end up in the cell next to Sam Bankman-Fried. You carry on like this. Bloody hell! That's the way to do it, Stephen. Have a great time. Yes. Hi, Paddy. Oh my gosh. Thanks, Jojo. Just joined. Did you buy more space? Yes, I did. Look. Hang on. Where am I? Yes. 199 now. Look at me. Told you I would. I've got soon as my Rocket Labs swings 8-9%, I'm going to sell that and buy back more. I'm also waiting for my Chevron, which is probably about a week away, to hit another 7 or 8%. Then I'm going to sell this to buy some more Virgin Galactic. So watch this space. Day trader gone mad right now. All right, we're day trading every 5 minutes. It's gone ballistic, all right? Okay, it's very exciting. Right, 45 minutes to go. Every single one of you is going to get involved in a bit of history now. You ready? A bit of history. How many people are watching? You remember this day? There's 47 of you watching. Remember this day? I told you about this, right? So a few years ago, about 6 years ago, I think, I did a halftime show for the Dr. Pepper Stadium football, American football. Did the halftime show, very successful. Everyone loved it. It's on my YouTube channel. Go and check it out. And I did the Jerry Jones event, who owns the Dallas Cowboys. And I've been asked to record the US national anthem for halftime shows at the football stadiums, all right? For the NFL and stuff like that. So I'm really excited because I want to do the Super Bowl. I know you're all going, you're not going to do the Super Bowl. You're not a big enough star. Well, you never know, do you? You never know. Start off with Dallas Cowboys. Not bad, eh? So I've recorded it, and it comes out in 45 minutes. And I want every single person to be part of history. You know Braveheart with the red, the blue cross, freedom, you know all that, right? Well, here it is. Look at that. Look at that. It goes live. USA anthem. Got the red stripes. Do you like that? Pretty good, right? And that goes live in just 40 minutes from now. In fact, 43 minutes. And I want every single person in the stream, in it, a bit of history. It's been tagged already on X. Someone has posted it into the Whitney Houston version. There's already been a few people that have tagged it into football games already. So I want you all to be there on the premiere to leave your comments below, and then share it on your social media. We're about to make a bit of history, right? It's going to be very exciting. This will be a song that could be used at the halftime shows. Oh, yes. Are you ready? You're going to love it. Okay, you're going to love it. So how do you watch it? You're thinking, well, that's all very well you saying all this, but how do we watch it? How do we get to it? Do you have to buy a ticket? Yep, it's $10 a ticket. There is the link. It's pinned to the top. There it is. I'll post it 3 times so you can see it. I'll give it to all my friends watching me on Rumble. Give it to all of you. There's 8 of you. There is my national anthem in the chat for you. Alrighty. Okay. Not that long to go now. I know you're excited. I'm thinking to myself, you can't believe it, can you? You're just thinking, I can't believe this. This is brilliant. It's brilliant. I love it. So you're going to love it even more when you see it. Okay. See if I messed the words up. I've translated it in 14 languages, and I've gone through with a fine-tooth comb to make sure it's right. Caden Youngquist, wish my university had those. Yeah. I've got it here. I've got Bloomberg here. Craig, I'm well, and you, my friend? There you go. Hey, Bill, how's it going today? As an innovation, how about for every stock you buy, you have to meet an advisor and sign the purchase? How about for every stock you buy, you have to meet an advisor and sign for the purchase? That might take a while, Tio. I'm good, Paddy. Thank you, my friend. Was Church yet? Well, no, he wasn't. He said he was going to be here, never turned up. What happened to him? Welcome, Craig. Hi, Bill. Glad to see you. Churchy. I think he said Friday. Was it? I thought it was today. I want to see you do every national anthem for your members. I could do that. Imagine that. I could be the national anthem bloke. The bloke, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage. Huge star. He's done the national anthems. He's done the national anthems for all the football stadiums, Olympics, coronations, the Pope, done them all. Would you please welcome to the stage the national anthem bloke, all the way from Dallas / Cornwall, Martyn Lucas from YouTube. I love it. Mr. Lucas, yeah, I'm on the executive board of Tilray Brands now. I'm telling you, invest now. Let me have a look. No! Why would I want to buy it when it's gone up, when it's gone back down again? Rubbish. Bad advice. Yeah, and don't talk about my mother. Eh? Yeah, and don't talk about my mother. Mike. Hang on, have I missed something? Oh, okay. Whew. I guess I'm so sensitive because Mike takes care of his mum and his mum's not been very well. And I thought something happened then. I thought someone said something not very nice to Mike, but I think he's all right. The piano man and the anthem bloke. Not anthem, anthem. Anthem. A-N-F-E-M. We're not going to say it right, are we? The anthem bloke. You know, if you're gonna sing for the country, Olympics, Pope, weddings, funerals, you know, anthem. No would sell. Yeah, that's absolutely right. Okay, here we go. 20 minutes to go. Right. So we've got 20 minutes to go. I want everybody, because seriously, I'm not messing around now, right? This could be my first 1 million view video. And you can say, I was there. I made it happen. I was part of that. I was part of making that bloke, the anthem bloke, does all the anthems now for the Pope, the King, the Queen, everybody. Even Mike, he does it for Mike's birthday. Everyone. I mean, everybody, right? So, on YouTube, there's the go live, there's the golden 1 hour, the first day, and then after that, it does its thing. So I want every single person, if I've ever asked for anything, I'm asking for this. Every single person, be in the premiere, and then click the like, and then leave a comment below. All right? Wait, what? What's going on? So, but between now and then, which is half an hour, which is actually 38 minutes, I need you all to go and share the link. Put it on all your social media. Put it on your Twitter. Text it out. Facebook. I don't care. Shout out the window. Hey, come on in here. My mate, Martyn, he's the anthem bloke. He's about to sing for the very first time for the halftime shows. And one day, he's going to do the Olympics and the Super Bowl. But at the very least, he's going to do the halftime show for the Dallas Cowboys. Oh, yes, that's what I'm talking about, right? So it's up to you. If you don't want to be part of history, you'd rather be boring, that's fine. But there it is. There it is. It's waiting. You don't even need to pay. I mean, it's like free entertainment. Amazing. You can be part of history just by showing up. It's built for lazy people. It's built for it. Right, let's have a look. Wait, what? Yeah. Okay. That's all right. That's all right then. Glad you're all right, Mike. I just want to make sure that you and your mum are all right. Know what the hell I meant? There goes your 5 times 500 super chats. Yes. 5 times 5. I'm just waiting for one person to do it. It's the biggest super chat. What can I do for someone to give me a $500 super chat? I've never had a $500 super chat ever in the history of the world. I've had 100 a couple of times. I've never had a 500. It'd be good. I mean, if there's anybody really rich, you know, and thinks, well, I wouldn't normally. It's not something I do on a day-to-day basis, but I tell you what, for you, if you sing me the anthem for the Olympics, I'll do it. So, you know, it's up to you. It's up to you. Right. I don't want to force you into it. Some people think that I force people into things. You know, psychologically, it's like that. It's like radar coming through the screen. You're thinking, I have to watch. I have to donate $500. I have to do it. See, you all just think it's funny. You don't realize, actually, I have brain control. Anyway. Look, I am not Mo, but I will. Well, I will donate when Tilray hits 10, but only if Martyn invested in Tilray. I would invest in Tilray. See, it's what I said to you before. See, I said this to Mohammed Kahine. I said to Mohammed, look, Mohammed, you want to bribe me to buy Tilray and make videos, right? Basically, that's what you want to do, right? He didn't say anything to that, but that's what he wanted, right? He said he would give me 500 super chats when he gets $10. So I said, rather than do that now, do that when it gets there, why don't you give me half of that? Right? So you can save yourself some money. I'm thinking of you. Save yourself 50%. Give it to me now. I will buy Tilray with it right now. So not only have you saved 50%, but I will buy it right now. And I would absolutely buy it right now. If anyone gives me any super chats to buy Tilray, I'll buy it right now. I'll make a video on it. I'll promote it. I'll tell the world, look, I just bought 500,000 million shares of Tilray. Quite happy to do that. No problem at all. Fine. I'll do it. But, just he didn't want to go for that. So... Anyway, I'm just a millionaire in disguise. Yeah, it's like me if I was a rich man. Please delete the stream from spreading misinformation. Yeah, I'll go and delete it. I'm going to delete my own YouTube. I'm going to delete my own videos. Right, okay. We've got 20 minutes to go before the bell. The S&P is going up. Virgin Galactic is done nicely today. I'm up... I'm down from 48% to 36% down. That's fine. And I've already had one trade of this. Not looking like we're going to get a second. We'll have to leave it now till the morning, but that doesn't matter. New, filter by stocks you own. Run your own portfolio analysis with the newest stock screener. Stocks I own. Filtering for stocks you own can help you analyze performance. React quickly to market opportunities and find your next trade on the go. Create a screener. Okay, I'll do that. Spot your next trade with stock screeners. Get started. Leverage filters like price changes, volume, and more to zero in your next trade. Get started. Choose your starting point. Custom. I'll do this later. I can't be doing this now when I'm talking to you. What sort of show would that be? It'd just be you watching me live my private life. I mean, what would be the point? Go and have a cup of tea, watch telly, you can watch that as well. All right. Okay. Yes, I know. I disagreed with Mo, hence why I apparently offended him by arguing with him. Interest rate at 15%. Because me and Powell have a good business going. MSK. Right, okay. You've got to get serious now. None of this messing around. We've got to make some money here. Okay. Let me see who's watching. People are a bit funny this afternoon. They don't like all the comedy. We've only got 56 watching. It's rubbish. Right, okay, you ready? So... Virgin Galactic, Lucas AIDS, the Army, everybody watching the show. We are going to do something today. You're all going to be part of history. Everybody, let's do it. I'm really serious. You ready? First of all, we've got, how many have we got? We've got 56 watching, 58 watching. Let's get 40 likes. 40 likes, which would be about 75%, which is way above average. We've got 29. And all of those of you that like, those that don't like, you're not invited. We're going to have the world premiere, halftime show football. I'm going to work up to the Dallas Cowboys. Oh, hello. My coffee's just... Thanks, Leah. Oh, look at that. Latte time. And you're going to be there the day you saw it happen. Cheers. Right. Did you all open your newsletter? You've got a couple of hours left to order some stuff from the shop to get your 20% discount. I sent you out a special newsletter. Mike, have you seen the newsletter? Mike, have you got the newsletter I sent out last night? I worry about Mike. Mike's like losing it. He's losing it. He doesn't know where he's coming or going. How many did we get? 35. Nearly 40, nearly 75%. I'm happy with that. It's good enough. I was just pushing my luck at 40, to be honest. Mike, did you get it? Did you get the email? It was newsletter number 52. Newsletter number 52. Did everybody get newsletter 52? Did you? Just sent it out. Make sure you got it. More importantly, make sure you opened it, because four in a row? 4 in a row, MailChimp, it unsubscribes you. If you don't open any of the last 4, that's it, you're deleted. So you got to resubscribe then. Jojo chimed in also, and I got it going earlier. Everyone just spoke the obvious. I was exposing. Right. What's going on? 15 minutes to go. Very exciting times. It's exciting times. Why is it exciting times? It's exciting times because it just is, all right? It just is. Life is good. In fact, I don't know why I'm feeling so good today. Oh, I know why. I feel better today because Leah's feeling better. I often notice that if Leah feels a bit down, I feel a bit down. Leah's back's a bit better today. I don't know what it is. Me and Leah, we're the bad back couple, aren't we? Walk around like that. It's probably because we always sit down. Probably. Just saying. Anyway. Virgin Galactic. If it pops up another 3 or 4%, I will sell it again in my Roth position. That is, no reason anywhere else, but we'll just keep nudging away at that. Rocket Lab, I would still buy it at this level, but there's no real availability of money to buy anything at the minute. I need Rocket Labs to go up first, then I can buy it. Virgin Galactic, my main position, I'm holding it. Oh, hello. ARM is going up into the close. Up today, 20%. I tell you what, I am not buying it. Absolutely not buying it. Nope. Nope, I am not. I got the one yesterday, 52. 52, that's right. Yeah, that's it. That was last night. My software is very intelligent, Mike. And basically, what it does, it's very good actually. I never thought of this. My old system was rubbish. That's why it was really cheap. This one's more expensive, but I can see now why. When I sent out last night's email, I had I'll tell you exactly. I've had 31.3% open rate, okay? And then what it does, I can then send it out again to those who never opened it the first time. And that's gone up another 5.5%. So it's very interesting to see that actually, so now that takes me up to 31, 30, 36%, 37% open rate. But at the moment, I'm still sending it to everybody. And there's some people that have never opened it from my music channel that don't even realize they're getting it. So when I remove all of those, there's about 100 I'll remove on the next email. I'll probably start getting 70% open rates, which will be good. The average is 20%. So again, we beat the average, right? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. At which point? Okay. ARM is going up. In fact, let me have a quick update of this. 10 minutes. Because Jojo, I want to thank you for this. I'm not going to thank you yet, but I'm just going to sort of put a thank you on the back burner. I'm going to put a thank you on the back burner because you mentioned ARM and it just made me think. It's a very trendy stock and it's on day one. Imagine if I start ranking for it. If I start making videos early. Just saying. Right, okay, so you never know, right? Here we go. Just a quick update with ARM, ticker symbol ARM. I put a video out shortly about it, the fact that I'm waiting for it to go down. Just as we come up to the close, we are starting to take off. However, on this particular stock, I am going to do some more research because I like AI, I like this technology. I'm in on Apple, and Apple are one of the partners. I'm heavily into Apple, so I am going to keep my eye on this and keep you updated on ARM. If there's anything you want to know about ARM, I'm the wrong person to ask now, but by tomorrow I'll be the right person to ask. Because what I want to do when I start investing in a company, the first thing I want to do is make friends on the ground, CEO, people that work at the factories and so on. So I'm going to start working on relationships here And that's how I do it for all my other stocks, Virgin Galactic and other things that I do. So leave me your thoughts below or any questions, things that you want to know about ARM. I am looking to start nibbling into the stock, but I am waiting for the first few days for the excitement to die down and the initial profit taking to occur. Some people in my channel have just said they don't see it going below, going to the $20, which was where I said I think it's initially worth, because Apple own it and they won't let it go that low. I don't know though. So, you know, we had the same discussion with Rivian, and that was owned by Amazon, and look what happened to that. That shot to 170 and then went down to like $15. So let's not get carried away. It might take a few weeks or even a couple of months, but more than likely it'll come. Statistically, it'll come. It's about patience. So leave me your thoughts below. Just a quick update. We are seeing ARM go up as we approach the close. At this point, you can see it's just 8 minutes, 7.5 minutes before the bell. Join me back next time. And as I said earlier, click above my head for more links, and that will take you to the ARM playlist. Oh yeah, I've already got a playlist for it. Can you believe it? It just IPO today. I'm already trending #1 in the world. No, I ain't. I just made that up. But you never know, right? Click over here for more ARM videos, because there's now going to be a playlist for ARM. And also down here, more videos, including my world premiere that's coming out tonight. I was asked to record the USA national anthem for halftime shows for football games. So starting off with the Dallas Cowboys, just down the road from me. One day the Super Bowl, next day the Olympics. I don't know. Join me anyway for more videos like this. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, I'm rocking and rolling. We're now going to be the #1 channel in the world for ARM. You know it's going to happen, right? Let's have a look. Hey, mate, hope all is well and you've got a position in Plug. Have you got a position in Plug? The answer is yes. I do have a very small position in Plug. Indeed, I do. I'm down on it. I bought it at the wrong time. Barbie called you out. Martyn, Barbie called you out. Martyn, he is a legend. Really? Hang on a minute. Stephen, hang on. I'm probably doing it myself. Hang on. I was going to say, could you drop the link in the chat? Which video's that? Right, can you send me the link for it? I want to see what's going on. Oh, Barbie not happy. I love it. Right, hang on a minute. Barbie's not happy with me. This can't be true. This can't be true. Can it? Can it be true? Tell me it can't be true. Tell me it can't be true. I've upset Barbie now. Here we go. You ready?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Barbie and Marcus Lucas, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hear what our co-host got to say here tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Go ahead, Marcus. What you got to say?
The Looney Tunes legend has hopped. Would you say Barbie's a legend? Is Barbie a legend? I'd like to dispute that. Is Barbie a true legend? Anyway, and hoped.
Well, there, Marcus, like, yes, I am a legend. You're not know how to invest. You like to space and space. And you gonna keep losing your money. You going down the page. You said space gonna go to 150. It is close to that. It's at 190 today, ladies and gentlemen, at the end of the market. Marcus Lucas, when you get your head out of your ass. You know I'm a legend. I'm not investing in space. My God, I can't believe he called me I'm not a legend. He disputed that. Really? Really, Marcus Lucas? You're making me mad here. I'm the legend here and you just a co-host. Remember that. Get in your place. See you, ladies and gentlemen. Bye.
Oh my God. That's it. I'm in trouble now. So there you go. Now you might like to comment to that. You might like to comment to Barbie. So I'm going to give you the link to the video, and I want all the Lucas aides to go and comment on that. I have to apologize to Barbie. You're absolutely right. I missed it Barbie is a legend. You're absolutely right. I'm terribly sorry. Barbie, I apologize. I salute you. I will zoom in. But Barbie, I'm terribly sorry. You're absolutely right. I am humbled by your presence that you've made a video calling me out. I apologize. Barbie, you are a true legend. And you're absolutely right. I am no more or no less than your co-host. I apologize. All right, there we go. So hopefully you've all got the link there. I've dropped it in the chat. I want to see everyone commenting, right? Barbie called you out. Thanks for that, Stephen. What is going on with space? What is going on with space? Well, it's I'm sorry that you wasn't in last night. It's because of the Market Watch announcement. That's why it's gone up today. I've already been able to trade it once. I've now got my second position. We're making money on it. Yep, making money on it, lowering my averages, and very, very happy with Virgin Galactic today. So it was because the review, that's what I can put it down to. I didn't get a chance to make the video. I did it in the live show, but I didn't get a chance to actually, do it, the actual video itself. But that's what's going on. Nonny loves it. Lewis Martin, LOL. I've arranged Martin and you. Martin, you are going to have loads, have a no-holds-barred fight with Sir Richard Branson. Fight Channel is working on it. I love it. So, is everybody commented on it? I want all the Lucas aides to comment on the on that video. All right, no joke, no messing around. Go and comment on it. Get off your backside, sort it out. Don't be lazy as you are. All right, many of you too lazy. What is going on with space? That's your answer. That's your answer. So if it can go up any more, I can trade it again. So I'm in the green. We're making money. We're doing well. That's what it's all about. The S&P going up. Virgin Galactic's going up. PLTR's going up. 14% down. I think that's my best position so far. There's Armlet. Just trying to take profit. We're not touching ARM today. We're going to become the #1 channel for ARM, though. No question about it. No question about it. I'm going to get on it. I'm going to get on it like a car bonnet. You think the stock is going down tomorrow? Virgin Galactic? Do I think it's going down tomorrow? At this stage, I don't know. I don't see any reason why it should go up any further. I think today it's shown that it can pop and drop again. It's being scalped. So I intend to hold my position. If it drops below 185, I'll find some money from somewhere, maybe some Amazon to buy it again. But it's undervalued now. Now is the best time ever to buy Virgin Galactic. You're now buying just undervalue. Not a lot undervalue, but if you can keep scalping it, technically you're making money from it. You're making more money than they are. So, anyway, percentage-wise, of course. Anyway, okay, we've got 30 seconds to go before the bell goes. Now, Thursday night typically is tends to be some good news after hours for Virgin Galactic. Not always, just sometimes. Get the bell ready. Are you ready? Here's the bell. Let's get ready. Let's get ready to rumble. I tell you what, if I get an announcement they've diluted and we're up where we are now, I'm going to buy 1,000 shares of Virgin Galactic before you can say Jack Robinson. Tell you that for nothing. You've heard me say it. 15, right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. It's going up. 3, 2, 1. The bell has now gone. The Sensei bell has now gone, and we're in the after hours. Now, we have seen, statistically, not every time, but quite a few times on a Thursday. It doesn't mean anything. It's not like a lucky dip or anything. But it has. We have seen it a few times. They have their admin. They have the way they do things. They have their procedures and so on. And as an investor, you spot these patterns forming. So it's not a bad thing to keep your eye out for certain things like this. Right. We'll be back, of course, in the morning. Now, tomorrow morning, it is the Friday phone-in. Friday phone-in in the morning. I look forward to everyone. I look forward to seeing our regulars back. Mike, don't be out in the garden this time. Don't start messing around. Right, do it properly, Mike. We want Mike. We want Zach Zate, Stephen Lewandowski back in the house. We want Sensei. We want Nonny. We want Zach. We want Eligio. We want Crag. We want Lewis. We want Patty. We want a full house tomorrow morning. MSK. We want all the crowd tomorrow morning. That's tomorrow morning on the show. We're going to have the Friday phone in. Okay, now then, what's moving? Rocket Lab, any news after hours? A little bit of a trim there, maybe. Plug. Procter & Gamble, I like it. Keeps going up. Rumble. Funware. Faraday, junk, rubbish. Don't know what they're doing. Rio Tinto, Bitcoin up nearly 2% now. Very good. Oh, Polygon up 2%. That's good for my crypto bag. Oh, and Ripple up to 2% as well. XRP. MSK, here he is. Sensei. Here is Sensei. Right. Good evening. Development Alert Uganda. Zach, I'm excited. For those of you who don't know why I'm excited, this is why I'm excited. So, first of all, if you want to be involved in a piece of history, tonight, remember the day I said this. Write this down. Hang on, Martyn Lucas said on September the 14th. All right, okay, what's he going to say? Right, okay, so first of all, if you want to be part of history, tap the like button. We've got 60 watching. So 75% was about 40, right? 41. See, we're beating the system now. Forget 50% now. We're getting engagement of 75%. 99.5 click the up like, 75% vote. We finally got it. 50%. I'm getting less scam, less bots, less idiots coming in. It's all filtering out. We're getting a much more engaged audience, which is what we want. We want the right information, the right people, the best people, and that's what we want. So, if you want to be part of history tonight, all right? 59 watching, that's 60, 55, 42 likes. That's nearly that's about 80% now. Tap the like button. 43, it's going up. Okay, you've all done that. Very good. Very, very good indeed. Okay. Now then, what are we going to do? This is what we're going to do. When I first came to America, right, I was asked to do a halftime show once at the Dr. Pepper Stadium for a football show. After that, I got asked to do different things. I did the owner of the Mavericks, what's his name? Mark Cuban. I did his house, played in his house. Then I did the Jerry Jones event. Jerry Jones is a billionaire. He owns the Cowboys and stuff like that. And it was banded around for a while. Martyn Lucas should do the halftime show at the Cowboys, which is the American team, right? That's like singing for England. I mean, that's a really big deal, right? Hasn't happened yet. But anyway, I was asked to record the United States national anthem. With the flag and the whole thing. So I've done all that, and it premieres in about 8 minutes from now. And people are already tagged it. Someone who's put out the Whitney Houston Super Bowl, and others have already tagged it in X, and it's being banded around and all that stuff. People are picking it up. A record producer on my X account has picked it up a few moments ago, just before I went live. You can go into the post. It's being shared around. Okay, so I'm hoping that I think that this video is going to be used at halftime shows for football games, and then I want to do it in person and, one day do the Super Bowl. That's maybe pushing my luck a bit. All right, but anyway, you never know. Reach for the stars, you hit the moon, right? You bang straight into it, bump your head. All right, so anyway, I want to be the bloke who sings the anthem, not anthem, anthem. And I want to do all the anthems of the world. All right. That's what I want to do. And, I want to sing all the anthems and do the Pope, the King, the Queen, and everything in between. All right. I want to be that bloke. So here it is. The way YouTube works, the live video is important. The first hour is called the golden hour, when the video gets shared, liked, and the amounts of comments it gets underneath the video. Not in the live chat, the comments. Get it moving, okay? Then the first day, share it everywhere. So this is it. The premiere goes. It's only 1.5 minutes long. It's a very short video, done exactly to be used as a halftime show, okay? I've even got the red and white striped face, just like Braveheart. Can you see that? Look, brilliant, isn't it? Braveheart, right? Except it's American. All right, 8 minutes. So I'm going to give you the link now. I'm going to give you the link for it. Here it is. It's the world premiere. Now, what I want you to do is watch it with me, and then go and leave the comments below, and all the rest of it, and then share it on your social media. All right? Okay, so here we go. I'm good, mate. I sent you a message on Discord, National Anthem. Hi, Paddy. Oh, sorry, I've been on holiday. We'll have a look, Zach. Okay, good. Also, went to Lake Maggiore and think I will have my wedding there. Thanks for the suggestion. Beautiful. You know what you need at your wedding? Nessun Dorma. I'm just saying, if you're going to get married in Italy, I mean, it's bloody obvious, isn't it? And or you could have, I feel it in my fingers, I feel it in my toes. I mean, where else are you going to get that? All right, you ain't, are you? Okay, just saying. Okay, I need everybody over there. Not just yet. There's already 8 likes. It's going well. What was the most we had? I think Mike always takes the numbers. Was it 17 in a live? It was 17, wasn't it? In a live, wasn't it? Was it 17? All right. Up on holiday. Yeah, Sensei's rubbish. He's on holiday. Part-timer. Welcome back. He's not back yet. He's always on bloody holiday. Sensei makes too much money on crypto. He's always on bloody holiday. Virgin Galactic. Okay, just trying to move up. Palantir. We're looking at ARM. Gold. We're looking at gold. We're looking at Mullen. We're looking at all sorts. I mean, basically, I'm looking at things. 17, Mike. Right. So, if everyone clicks the like, the thumbs up, the share button, let's beat 17. If we're going to get our first 1 million view video, like million views, it's got to be there, isn't it? It's got to be. We got to beat 17 live in the live, haven't we? We got to beat that, haven't we? All right. So all of you watching, there are 50 of my investors, Virgin Galactic. Are you all going to join me? Are you going to join me? So we're going to end this stream in a second. All right. And I just realized something. I cannot believe I've messed this up, but I can fix it. Don't worry. I haven't put it so this video goes straight to it. And you're thinking, he normally does that. Don't worry. He normally makes it go straight to the stream. No, he doesn't. He's forgotten to do it. Switch account, Martyn Lucas Investor, back to here, go to the content, go to the live feed, click on that, and then go customization, and go to the premiere. There it is. Okay, now it's done. Good, innit? Switch back to the other account. And there we go. Right. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're ready to rock and roll. Okay, you've got about an hour left, I believe, if you wanted to order something from the shop with the 20% discount that ends tonight. Here it is. Here's the link. It was in the newsletter. If you didn't open your newsletter, that's on you. I can't help you. Right. So we're about to end the stream. True 17, Mike. Okay, Mike. Oil pumping. Yes. No. I need another 8-9% out of this Chevron. I think I'm going to get it. It kind of goes up every day and then just sells off. It just sort of ripples along like a bloody pool. You can see it up and down. It's like a bloody roller coaster. I want to get out of this because I want some more money to buy some more Rocket Lab and Virgin Galactic. I'm enjoying being the day trader again, scalping. I've had a good time today. It's been good, but I've got a little ways to go. Okay, day trader of the day, very, very quick. Day trader of the day, do it quick. I am up. We're going to end the stream. We're going to roll the credits. I'm up 1%, making loads of money. It's brilliant. Making loads of money. Up 1%. There you go. Here we go. Sensei, I'm so happy you enjoyed Lake Maggiore. Do you like that? Maggiore. Right. Up 1%. You got 10 seconds to go because I'm not going to hang around. We got 13 likes. 17 was the record. 17. Get in me. I'm excited. 1.51. Damn it. Why does someone always have to come in? Oh, it would be Jose. He's just joined. He's just learning. He's made more money than I have. That's not right, is it? Is that right? That can't be right. He just joined. He's making more money than me. 1.875. Up 0.31. The winner is, we've run out of time. You've run out of time. You've got to be quick tonight. You snooze, you lose. Thank you very much. Honest trade. Thumbs up. Credits. Roll it. Not messing around. We're going to do it. Right, here we go. Here is the link. Everyone join me. Congratulations to Niels at 1.875. Here is the national anthem of the United States of America. You are going to see this at halftime shows at football games across America. Get ready. Share it on your social media. Say, I was there. It's my mate. Right? All that stuff. Okay? Leave comments below. Everybody watch it. Don't miss out. Let's get more than 17 in the premiere. Okay? It's only a minute long. I'm sure you can all afford that minute. Right. There's the link in the chat. It'll go to it straight away. Hopefully all the investors will join in. It's a big occasion. There's 53 watching right now. Everybody, let's do it. Start a bloody movement. Start a bloody movement. And let's start a bloody movement. Right, okay, so let's do it. Roll the credits. Roll the credits. Get out of here. I'll see you back in the morning. More premieres, more shows in the morning. Friday phone-in. You all want to be there. You all want to be at the Friday phone-in, don't you? Members, Max H. He's not really a new member. He's been a member for 10 months. Just want to be clear on that. Okay. Fibonacci would have won. Fibonacci was too late. 3.22. Where were you, Fibonacci? Oil at 1.89. Now $90 a barrel. Up percentage on what's the best stream in the world. Rob Brennan. I'm up nothing. But I've just watched the best stream in the world. There you go. Look at Exxon. It's better than oil stock. Up 0.44. Thanks, Paddy. Right. We're done. 1 minute to go. This is going to be one of those perfect timings. It's going to be amazing, right? This is where you're all going to be. You're all going to be here. There's 14 likes. 17 was a world record. Hopefully. Right? This is the one. This is the one that's going to get me 1 million views and make all of us rich and famous. And when I do the halftime shows, all my members that have been a member for a year plus, I'll be ringing you up going, I want seats for all my gold members. Right? All right? That's it. See you over there for the world premiere. Don't just watch it once. Replay it. Watch it over again and share it. It's only a minute long. Watch it 10 times each. Take care of yourselves and each other. Join me now. Bye-bye.